Good morning, Mark.
Morning, Lisa. How are you today?
I'm great. It's such a nice day.
Yeah, perfect weather for a cup of coffee.
Exactly. Let's visit the new cafe today.
The one near the park?
Yes, that one. I heard it's really cozy.
Awesome. I love cozy places.
Same here. Shall we walk or drive?
Let's walk. It's only 10 minutes away.
Good idea. Walking is healthy too.
Haha, true. Let's go then.
Look, the street is so quiet this morning.
Yeah, everyone must still be asleep.
I like peaceful mornings like this.
Me too. The air feels so fresh.
Oh, there's the cafe. It looks beautiful.
Wow, I love the wooden design.
Let's go inside. I can already smell the coffee.
That's a good sign.
Hi, good morning. 2 coffees, please.
I'll take a cappuccino.
And I'll have a latte. Thank you.
Do you want any snacks?
Maybe a croissant.
Sounds good. I'll get a muffin.
Perfect. Let's sit by the window.
Yeah, that spot looks nice.
I love the sunlight here. It's so warm.
And the music is soft. Very relaxing.
So, Mark, how was your week?
Busy as always. Lots of meetings.
Oh, same here. Work never ends.
True. I needed this little break.
Me too, a quiet cafe and good coffee.
Best way to relax.
I prefer latte. It's creamy and light.
We both have good taste.
Haha, definitely.
Look at that painting on the wall.
Oh yes, it's a picture of a sunset.
It makes this place feel calm.
I love places with art. The coffee smells so good.
Here it comes. Thank you.
Delicious. Perfect temperature.
Let me taste mine. Wow, amazing.
So creamy. They make it really well.
This might become our favorite cafe.
Yes, we should come here every weekend.
Deal.
What do you think about the muffin?
Soft and sweet, just right.
The croissant is so buttery.
Freshly baked, I can tell.
This is such a relaxing morning.
Couldn't agree more.
Do you come to cafes often?
Sometimes, when I need quiet time.
I usually read books in cafes.
That sounds peaceful.
Yeah, with coffee and soft music, perfect.
You should bring your book next time.
I will. Maybe we can read together.
Sure. And talk about the story after.
That would be fun.
I like spending time like this.
Me too. Life feels slow and calm.
Sometimes that's what we need.
Yeah, to stop and breathe.
And enjoy a simple cup of coffee.
Exactly.
Hey, look. It started raining outside.
Oh, it looks beautiful from here.
The sound of rain makes it even better.
I love rainy mornings in cafes.
Me too. It's peaceful and cozy.
We should take a picture.
Great idea. Smile.
Perfect. I'll post it later.
Caption it. Morning coffee with Mark.
Haha, or the best cafe in town.
That works too.
It's already 11 a.m.
Time flies when it's fun.
Should we get one more coffee?
Sure, one more for the road.
Excuse me, 2 more coffees, please.
Thank you.
This cafe really feels special.
It does. The staff are friendly too.
I'm glad we came here today.
Same here, Lisa. Great idea.
Let's come back next weekend.
I'll mark it on my calendar.
Haha, don't forget.
Never. I'll be waiting.
All right, let's finish our coffee.
Yeah, Then head to the park maybe?
Sounds great.
Another perfect Saturday morning.
With perfect coffee and company.
Couldn't ask for more.
Cheers to good mornings.
Cheers.
Let's go before it rains again.
Right behind you.
Bye, Café. We'll be back soon.
See you next time.
What a wonderful start to the day.
Totally. I feel relaxed already.
Coffee really makes everything better.
That's why I never skip it.
Haha, true coffee lover.
Always.
Okay, let's head home.
Let's go, Lisa.
Morning feels so nice after coffee.
The rain made the air smell fresh.
The view from this window is perfect.
That coffee really woke me up.
I like the smell of fresh pastries.
I liked the music playlist.
These chairs are so comfortable.
The barista was very nice.
The people here look friendly.
We should tip them next time.
I want to try their sandwich next time.
I love mornings like this.
Maybe we can invite Sarah too.
Simple, calm, and full of smiles.
She loves cafes.
Maybe next time we can try tea.
I'll message her later.
Just to change the taste.
Look, it stopped raining.
I can already smell fresh rain.
The sky looks clear again.
Let's walk slowly back home.
I can hear birds outside.
No rush today.
Let's walk back slowly.
I feel ready for the new week.
I feel so refreshed now.
You always make weekends better.
This day started perfectly.
Let's plan another outing soon.
I love spending time like this.
I'm thinking of the beach next time.
You always choose nice places.
Coffee by the sea sounds great.
The coffee here tastes better than others.
What do you think?
Maybe it's the atmosphere.
Cool. We'll plan that.
I'm taking one last sip.
I'll check the weather later.
Done. That was amazing.
Hope it's sunny.
Let's thank the barista before leaving.
The coffee smell is still in my mind.
Thank you. Everything was great.
That place really had charm.
See you soon.
I'll recommend it to my friends.
I'll remember this morning.
They'll love it too.
It's one of my favorite days.
You find the best cafes, Lisa.
Time to go, Mark.
Seriously, great choice.
Ready.
I'll treat next time.
Let's walk through the park.
Deal.
Maybe get some fresh air.
Okay, done.
The flowers must be blooming now.
Let's take the longer way home.
Look forward to our next visit.
The view near the bridge is nice.
Thank you for the coffee treat.
We can stop for ice cream later.
You always make mornings fun.
Vanilla for me.
Let's do this again soon.
Haha, you knew that.
Goodbye, little cafe.
What a perfect morning.
You made our day bright.
I'll remember this day.
Time to head home now.
Thanks for coming, Lisa.
I'll make sure we come again.
You made it special.
It was a lovely morning.
Let's go home now.
See you next time, cafe.
See you tomorrow, cafe.